Hello students, today I am taking the problems from exercise 9.1. The basics of this topic chapter I already explained to you. I already explained to you what is angle of elevation in my previous video, what is angle of depression and how to find the missing sides of a triangle. Now I am taking the first problem and the first problem is exercise 9.1. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tied and stretched which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole. The problem is that there is a pole here and a rope is tied. This is the pole here. AB is the pole and this AC is the rope, and it is tied with the ground, and this rope is making an angle of 30 degree and the length of the rope is 20 meter. Now we have to find the height of this pole. This x we have to find. This is the problem. Problem number 1. Now the artist is climbing from here and this rope is making an angle of 30 degree. And you all know that we have already done this type of problem. This angle is 90 degree. Now what is the unknown? It is perpendicular, and what is the known? It is hypotenuse. So we can say that the perpendicular is unknown and the hypotenuse is known. And the perpendicular and hypotenuse comes in what? It comes in sine 30. So sine 30 is AB upon AC. The value of sine 30 is 1 by root 2. It is x and the AC is 20. So what is the value of x now? 20 upon 2. So the value of x is 10 meter. It means the height of the pole is 10 meter. So that is the answer of sum number 1. It is simple application of trigonometry. The next problem I am taking is problem number 2. If you see the problem number 2, please read it now. Yes, the second problem, it is very interesting problem. A tree breaks due to the storm and the broken part bent so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree and to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Now see, what is it? There is a big tree here. The tree is there. Yes. And this tree breaks from here. This is point A, point B and point C is the top of the tree. And when it breaks, definitely it bends down. It bends down like this. Yes. So now the second position is this way. This broken part bend down in this way. And it is told here that this, now the C point will be here. This angle is 30 degree and this part is 8 meter. This is 8 meter. The top of the tree now is 8 meter away from the foot of the tree. This is the place from where the tree breaks and it bends down like this. Now we have to find the height of the tree. So if I take this one as x and this is y, then this will also be y. So here we will calculate the height of the tree, and the height of the tree will be x plus y. So in this problem we have to calculate x as well as y. Now first, you know, the perpendicular is missing and base is given. So it comes in what? It comes in the 10. So the first part is 10 30. 10 30 क्या होगा? It will be x upon 8. The value of 10 30 is root 3, 1 by root 3. Cross multiply, it is 8 by root 3. So that is the first part. The second part is the base is given here and the hypotenuse is missing. We can take these two. We want to find the value of h. The base is given here and hypotenuse, and base and hypotenuse comes in cos 30, cos theta. So cos 30 is 8 upon y. The value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2, 8 upon y. So root 3y equals to 16. I hope this maths you all know very well. So the value of y is 16 by root 3. Now the final part, what is the height of the tree? So the height of the tree will be x plus y. So it is 8 upon root 3 and 16 upon root 3. You are a student of class 10. It is not required to explain you much. 8 upon root 3 and 16 upon root 3. The answer is 24 upon root 3. And now you can rationalize this part. So when you rationalize it, it is 24 root 3 upon 3. So the answer is 8 root 3 meter. Now the question arises that answer whether we will put the value of root 3 or not. See here, dear children, I want to tell you, अगर question में लिखा हुआ, if it is given in the sum that use the value of root 3 this, then only you solve it further. Otherwise, 8 root 3 is the perfect and the correct answer. So keep this up to this particular point only. I am taking the next problem now. One more sum, different type. Yes, students, see the next problem. The angle of elevation of top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. The problem is there is a tower here and there is a point which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. From this point, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. From a point which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, the angle is 30 degree. And what we have to find? We have to find the height of the tower. This is the angle of elevation. I already explained you about this part. So in these type of sums, the important part is to make the diagram. I am already sending the image with all these where you will find the answer is written. Instead of ABC, you can write PQR, you can write XYZ. As you can make your own answer. But these concepts are important. So now, as you know, perpendicular is missing and base is given here. So we take tan 30. So the value of tan 30 is x upon 30. It is 1 by root 3 x upon 30 cross multiply. Then 30 root 3, 30 by root 3 equals to x. And now you can rationalize this part. So if you rationalize, it is root 3 and root 3. So 30 root 3 by 3 and the final answer is 10 root 3 meter. So in this way we can find, because I already explained you many problems, so I explained you it fast, but I hope you all understood. Once more, tan 30 hota hai P upon B, that is P upon B, the remaining part is the same as I explained you in the starting of this particular chapter. I am taking the next problem which is little different, and in that problem there are two angles used. Yes, students, now see the next sum. This problem is very common and you can see around you. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20 meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. You see, you have seen that there are many, like this is a building here and on the top of the building there is a tower. If you look around your vicinity, the area where you are living, your home, you will find there are many buildings which rent their roof part for putting the tower. So in this, suppose this is a building and on this building there is a tower. This is A, B is the tower and BC is the building. Now from a point, if I see the bottom of the tower, the angle is 45 degree according to this sum. And from the same point, if I look at the top of the tower, this angle is 60 degree. Now, it is told here that the building is 20 meter high, means this is 20 meter. We have to find the value of x. But the problem is that the y is also missing here. See, from this point, if you see the bottom, this will be the bottom, and if you see the top, this will be the top. So here, this distance is 20 meter, we have to find this one. Now, in this, if you study nicely, you will find that in triangle, now there are two triangles, so we have to write the name of the triangle. In triangle BCD, angle C is 90 degree. BCD, you look at that BCD separately. This is 20, this is Y, and this is 45. If I draw BCD separately to explain you, this is 45, ये 20 है और ये Y. So with the help of this triangle, we can find the value of Y. Here, tan 45. The value of tan 45 will be 20 upon Y, and you know the value of tan 45 is 1. So it is 1. So the value of Y is 20. So that is the first part. Now we have got this length 20. And now I will be using the second triangle, and that second triangle will be in triangle A, C and D. A, C और D. पहले मैंने यूज किया था B, C, D. अब A, C, D में what is tan 60? Very important. tan 60 ये पूरा होगा x plus 20. This full x plus 20 upon y. This part is very, very important, and this type of sum is very important from examination point of view. Here, the value of this is root 3. X we have to calculate. Value of y we have already got 20. So now, if you cross multiply 20 root 3 x plus 20, transfer the 20 this side. So 20 root 3 minus 20. And now further, if you want, you can take 20 common. So if you take 20 common, it is root 3, and here it is minus 1. So this is the height of the transmission tower, which is fixed at the top of the building. And with this problem, there is one more sum in the book, and that is sum number 8. In that, instead of tower, there is a statue here, and the length of the statue or height of the statue is given this time. So this is given x here, and this part is missing. So you can try that particular sum also, although I am sending the images of all the sums, the answers of all the sums of exercise 9.1, because I feel that the problem in the board exam will be asked from these 16 problems which are given in the NCERT. So this is the main part of the exercise, that is when two angles are there. Most probably you will see a problem where two angles are there, and we have to use two triangles in that particular part. I hope this part is clear. In the coming videos, I will explain you the remaining part. Thank you.